Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Sample paper for class 9. Question 1. In the given figure, find angle OPR. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference subtended by the same arc. That is, angle POR is equal to 2 into angle PQR. That is, angle POR is equal to 2 into 100. That is equal to 200. The reflex angle POR is 200. The non-reflex angle POR is 360 minus 200, that is equal to 160. In triangle OPR, OP is equal to OR, radii of the same circle, so it is an isosceles triangle. The base angles are equal. That is, angle OPR is equal to angle ORP. The sum of the angles of triangle is 80. That is, angle OPR plus angle ORP plus angle POR is equal to 180. That is 2 angle OPR plus 160 is equal to 180. So angle OPR is equal to 10 degrees. From the given options, answer is D, 10 degrees. Question 2. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are increased by 10%, 20% and 50% respectively. By what percentage does its volume change? Let the original length, breadth and height be L, P and H. Original volume will be L, P, H. The new dimensions are L dash is equal to 1.1 L, B dash is equal to 1.2 B and H dash is equal to 1.5 B. 1.5 H. The new volume V dash is equal to L dash into B dash into H dash, which is equal to 1.1 L, 1.2 B and 1.5 H, which is equal to 1.98 LVH, which is equal to 1.98 V. The new volume, the increase in the volume is V dash minus V, that is 1.98 V minus V, which is equal to 0.98 V. The percentage increase is increase upon original volume into 100, that is 0.98 V upon V into 100%, that is equal to 98%. Comparing with the given options, answer is D. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 3:2:1. If its total surface area is 88 cm square, Find its volume. The length, breadth and height are 3x, 2x and x respectively. The total surface area is given as 88 centimeter square. Formula for TSA is 2 LB plus BH plus HL. That is 2 3x 2x plus 2xx plus x 3x equal to 88. That is 22x square is equal to 88. That is x square is equal to 44. Sorry, x square is equal to 4. That is x is equal to 2. The dimensions are L as 3x, that is 3, 2, which is 6. B as 2x, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. And H as x, that is 2, 2. So volume is equal to L, length into breadth into height, which is 6 into 4 into 2, that is 48 centimeter cube. From the given options, answer is B, 48 centimeter cube. Question 4. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the sum of two consecutive interior angles is D 180. When transversal intersects two parallel lines, consecutive interior angles are supplementary, meaning their sum is 180 degrees. Question 5. If the bisector of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram intersects at 90 degree, what type of parallelogram is it? B. Rectangle. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, meaning the sum is 90 degree. If the bisector intersect at 90 degrees, it implies that half the sum of their adjacent angle is 90 degree, which confirms they are supplementary. The key property states that the angle bisectors of adjacent angles of a parallelogram intersect at 90 degree. The parallelogram is a rectangle. Question 6. In triangle ABC, angle A is 60, AB is 10, AC is 10 centimeter. In triangle DEF, angle D is equal to 60, DE is equal to 10 centimeter and DF is equal to 10 centimeter. What additional information is required to prove the congruence of triangle ABC and triangle DEF? Answer is D, none. The given information for both the triangle is two sides and the included angle. According to side angle side congruence criteria, if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, no additional information is required. Question 7. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE and AC is equal to DF, and AD is angle A is equal to angle D. Which congruence criteria can be used to prove that the triangles are congruent? Answer is A, side angle side. The provided information includes two pairs of equal sides and the equality of the angles included between these sides. This specific configuration of two sides and the included angle directly corresponds to the side angle side congruence criteria. Question 8. The sum of the squares of the diagonal of a parallelogram is equal to C. The sum of the squares of all four sides. This is a well-known theorem in geometry, often referred to as parallelogram or Apollonius theorem applied to a parallelogram. The theorem states that for any parallelogram with side lengths A and B and diagonal lengths d1 and d2, the relationship is d1 square plus d2 square is equal to 2a square plus b square. Since the parallelogram has two sides of length A and two sides of length B, the sum of the squares of all four sides is 2a square plus b square. Question 9. In the following figure, A, B, C, D and A, E, F, G are two parallelograms. If angle C is equal to 60 degree, then angle GFE is in a parallelogram. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C, that is 60 degree. Question 9. In the following figure, ABCD and AEFG are two parallelograms. If angle C is equal to 60 degree, then angle GFE is. In a parallelogram ABCD, opposite angles are equal, so angle C is equal to angle A, that is 60 degree. In parallelogram AEFG, opposite angles are also equal, so angle A is equal to angle GFE, which is equal to 60 degrees. So the answer is B, 60 degrees. Question 10. In triangle ABC, the coordinates of vertices are A 1 1, B 4 1 and C 4 5. Find the area of triangle. Points A 1 1 and B 4 1 have the same y coordinates, so side AB is horizontal. Point B 4 1 and C 4 5 have the same x coordinate, so side BC is vertical. Therefore, the triangle is a right angle triangle with right angle at P. The length of base AB is equal to mod 4 minus 1, which is 3, and length of height BC is equal to mod 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. The area of a right angle triangle is given by area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height, which is equal to 6. From the options, the answer is A, 6 square units. Question 11. A parallelogram has adjacent sides of length 10 cm and 15 cm, and the included angle is 120 degrees. Find the area of the parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram with adjacent sides A and B and included angle theta is given by area is equal to A into B into sine theta. Here A is 10, B is 15 and theta is 120. So area is equal to 10 into 15 into sine 120, given that the value of sine 120 is root 3 by 2, area is equal to 150 into root 3 by 2 which is equal to 75 root 3, which is equal to 129.9. Comparing with the given options, the answer is C, 129.9. Question 12. A hemisphere has a total surface area of 108 degrees centimeter square. Find its radius, where degree is pi. The total surface area of a hemisphere is given using the formula TSA is equal to 3 pi r square. Given TSA is equal to 108 pi centimeter square, we set up the equation as 3 pi r square is equal to 108 pi. That is r square is equal to 108 upon 3, which is equal to 36. So r is equal to 6. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 6 centimeter. Question 13. The radius of a sphere is doubled. By what factor do the surface area and volume increase respectively? The surface area of a sphere is A is equal to 4 pi r square. If the original radius is r1, the original area is A1 is equal to 4 pi r1 square. The new radius r2 is the double. The new area is A2 is equal to 4 pi r2 square, which is equal to 4 pi r1 to r1 whole square, which is equal to 4, which is equal to 16 pi r1 square. The ratio of new area to the old area is 16 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r1 square, which is equal to 4. The surface area quadruples, that is, increases by a factor of 4. For the volume of a sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. If the original radius is r1, the original volume V1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. If the new radius r2 is doubled, the new volume V2 is equal to 4 by 3 pi 2 r1 cubed, which is equal to 8 into 4 by 3 pi r1 cubed. The ratio of V2 to V1 is equal to 8 into 4 by 3 pi r1 cubed upon 4 by 3 pi r1 cubed, which is equal to 8. The volume increases by 8 times. From the given options, the answer is C. The surface area quadruples and the volume increases by 8 times. Question 14. Simplify phi upon root 7 by minus 2 plus 3 upon root 7 plus 2. Combine the fractions Rationalize each denominator by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate. That is 5 upon root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 plus 2 plus 3 upon root 7 plus 2 into root 7 minus 2 upon root 7 minus 2. That is 5 root 7 plus 10 upon 3 plus 3 root 7 minus 6 upon 3. That is 8 root 7 plus 4 upon 3. Comparing with the given options, answer is A, 8 root 7 plus 4 upon 3, that is A. Question 15. Two cards are drawn from a standard deck of 52 cards without replacement. What is the probability that one card is a king and the another is a queen? The number of ways to draw two cards from 52 without replacement is a combination of 52, 2. That is equal to 52 factorial upon 2 factorial 52 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6. There are 4 kings and 4 queens in a standard deck. The number of ways to choose one king and one queen is the product of the combination of choosing one of each. That is 4, 1 into 4, 1, which is equal to 4 into 4, which is equal to 16. The probability of the ratio of favorable outcomes to total outcomes is 16 upon 1326, which is equal to 8 upon 663. From the given options, the answer is D, 8 by 663. A box contains 10 bulbs, of which 4 are defective. If 3 bulbs are randomly selected, what is the probability that at least 2 bulbs are defective? The number of ways to choose 3 bulbs from a total of 10 is the combination of 10, 3. That is factorial 10 upon factorial 3, 10 minus 3, which is equal to 120. There are 4 defective and 6 non-defective bulbs. The number of ways to choose 2 defective and 1 non-defective is 4, 2 and 6, 1, which is equal to 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1 into 6, which is equal to 36. The number of ways to choose 3 defective and 0 non-defective is 4, 3, 6, 0, which is equal to 4 into 1, which is equal to 4. The total number of favorable outcomes is the sum of the ways to choose exactly 2 or exactly 3 defective bulbs, that is 36 plus 4, which is equal to 40. The probability of the ratio is the ratio of favorable outcomes to total outcomes, that is 40 upon 120, which is equal to 1 by 3. From the given options, the answer is B, 1 by 3. Question 17. The arithmetic mean of 6 observations is 36. The first 5 observations are 30, 35, 40, 25 and 50. What is the sixth observation? The mean x bar of n observations is given by x bar equal to summation xi upon n. Given x bar is 36 and n is 6, the sum of all observations summation xi is equal to 36 into 6, which is equal to 216. The sum of the first 5 observations is 30 plus 35 plus 40 plus 25 plus 50, that is equal to 180. The sixth observation is the total sum minus the sum of first 5, that is 216 minus 180, that is equal to 36. From the given options, the answer is C, 36. Question 18. The median of the following data set is 24. Find the missing value x. 15, 20x, 28, 30, 35. Ordered data set, there are n is equal to 6 observations, that is an even number. The median is the average of the two middle terms, which are third and fourth terms. Given the median is 26, the third and fourth terms are x and 28. We have 24 is equal to x plus 28 upon 2. Solving for x is equal to 20. From the given options, answer is A, 20. Question 19. Factorize x cube plus x square minus x minus 1. Group the first two and the last two terms and then factor out x square from the first group and minus 1 from the second group. That is x square x plus 1 minus 1 x plus 1. The expression now has a common factor of x plus 1 which can be factored out. That is x square minus 1 x plus 1. The term x square plus 1 is a difference of square as a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. That is x minus 1 x plus 1 x plus 1. That is equal to x minus 1 x plus 1 whole square. Comparing with the given options, answer is C, x plus 1 x square minus 1, which was right here. Question 20. The factorization of 3x square plus 5x to the power minus 2 is this is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Factorizing this, we have For the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus 6, we have a as 3, b as 5 and c as minus 2. We need two numbers that can multiply to 3 and add up to 5. These are 6 and minus 1. Rewriting 5x as 6x minus 1x, that is 3x square plus 5x minus 2 as 3x square plus 6x minus x minus 2. Grouping the terms and factor out the common factors from each group, we have 3x x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2. Factoring out x plus 2, we have x plus 2 3x minus 1. From the options, the answer is A, 3x minus 1 x plus 2. Question 21. Which of the following is the correct method to construct a tangent to a circle at a given point on its circumference? Option B. Draw a line perpendicular to the radius at the given point. The fundamental property of a tangent to a circle is that it is always perpendicular to the radius at the point of tangency. Question 22. To divide a line segment AB into 4 equal parts using only a compass and a straight edge, which step is incorrect? Answer is D. Use a protractor to measure equal angles on the ray. Construction using only a compass and straight edge do not allow the use of protractor for measuring angles. The other steps describe the standard procedure for dividing a line segments into equal parts using parallel lines and transversal. Question 23. The perimeter of a triangle is 30 cm and its area is 30 cm square. If one side is 12 cm, find the product of other two sides. Let the sides of triangle be A, B and C where given A is 12. The perimeter A plus B plus C is equal to 30. The area A is equal to 30 cm square. Semi-perimeter S is equal to perimeter by 2, which is equal to 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. Heron's formula for the area is A is equal to root 15 minus 12, 15 minus B, 15 minus C, that is 30 is equal to root 45, 15 minus B, 15 minus C. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to 30, that is 12 plus B plus C is equal to 30. So B plus C is equal to 18 and C is equal to 18 minus B. Substituting the value of C in this formula, we have 30 is equal to root 45, 15 minus B, minus 18 plus B that is 30 is equal to root 45, 15 minus b, b minus 3. Squaring on both sides, we have 900 is equal to 45 minus b square plus 18b minus 45. That is 20 is equal to minus b square plus 18b minus 45. That is b square minus 18b plus 65 is equal to 0. Factor the quadratic equation. We have b minus 5, b minus 13 is equal to 0. The possible values for b are 5 and 13. If b is equal to 5, then c is equal to 18 minus 5, which is 13. And if b is 13, then c is 18 minus 13, that is 5. Other two sides are 5 and 13. Hence, the product of the two sides b into c is equal to 5 into 13, that is equal to 65 centimeter square. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 65 centimeter square. Question 24. If a triangle has sides 13, 14 and 15, find the area of their circumference. The sides are A. Question 24. If a triangle has sides 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter, find the area of the circumcircle. The sides are A 13, B 14, C 15. The semi-perimeter S is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2, that is equal to 21. Using the Heron's formula, area A is equal to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is equal to 84 centimeter square. The circumradius R of a triangle can be found using R is equal to ABC upon 4A. That is R is equal to 13 into 14 into 15 upon 4 into 84. That is equal to 8.125 centimeter. The area of the circumcircle is equal to pi r square. That is A is equal to pi 8.125 square. Using the value, that is 66.01 pi centimeter square. Comparing with the given options, the answer is B, 66.01 pi centimeter square. Question 25. Which of the following postulates establish the uniqueness of a straight line between 2 points? The answer is A, postulate 1. Euclid's first postulate states that a straight line segment can be drawn joining 2 points This postulate implies that the line drawn is unique. Question 26. What is the difference between an axiom and a postulate in Euclidean geometry? Answer is B. Axioms are universal truth while postulates are specific to geometry. In Euclidean geometry, axioms are self-evident, universal truth applicable across various fields of mathematics, while postulates are also assumed true without proof but are specific to the study of geometry. Question 27. The sum of the intercepts of the line 4x plus 5y is equal to 20s. To find the intercept, first rewrite the equation in the intercept form, that is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. That is 4x upon 20 plus 5y upon 20 is equal to 20 upon 20. That is x by 5 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. X-intercept is a is equal to 5 and y-intercept is b is equal to 4. The sum of intercepts is a plus b, that is 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. But comparing with the given options, the answer is C, 9. Question 28. If the point 1, 2 lies on the line kx plus 3y is equal to 9, what is the value of k? Substituting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in the equation, kx plus 3y is equal to 9. We have k 1 plus 3, 2 is equal to 9. Solving for k is equal to 3. Comparing with the given options, the answer is B, 3. Find the centroid of a triangle with vertices A 0, 6, B 6, 0, C 0, 0. The coordinates of a centroid of a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are given by the formulas gx x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, gy as y2, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Substituting the coordinates into given formula, we have gx is equal to 0 plus 6 plus 0 upon 3 is equal to 2, and gy is equal to 6 plus 0 plus 0 upon 3, that is equal to 2. So the coordinate centroid points are 2, 2. From the given options, the answer is A, 2, 2. Question 30. The equation of the line passing through 1, 1 and parallel to 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is. Rewriting the equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 in slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. To find the slope m, that is y is equal to 2 by 3x plus 4 by 3. The slope of the line is m, 2 by 3. A parallel line will have the same slope. Using the point slope from y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1 with point 1, 1 and slope as m equal to 2 by 3, y minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 3 x minus 1. That is 3y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. Rearranging the terms to the general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we have 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A. 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Which of the following is the solution to 3 to the power 2x equal to 8 to the power 81 to the power x? Rewriting 81 as a power of 3, that is 81 is equal to 3 to the power 4. That is 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power 4 to power x. Using rule of exponents, where a to the power mn to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. That is 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power 4x. Since the bases are same, the exponents must be equal. That is 2x is equal to 4x. That is x is equal to 0. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 0. Question 32. Simplify 16 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 1 by 2. First, simplify the inner term 16 to the power 3 by 4. This can be written as 4 root 16 cube. 4 root 16 is equal to 2, that is 2 to the power 3. So 16 4 by 16 3 by 4 is equal to 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8. Now substituting the result back to the original expression, we have 8 to the power 1 by 2, which is equal to root 8. Simplifying the square root, that is root 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 root 2. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 2 root 2. Question 33. If a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc when a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. Substitute the given values a equal 1, b equal minus 1 and c equal 2 into the right hand side of the identity. First, a plus b plus c is equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 2. Now a square plus b square plus c square, that is equal to 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 6. ab, that is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. bc equal to minus 1 2, that is minus 2, CA 2, 1, that is equal to 2. Now substituting this intermediate results back into the full expression, we have 2, 6 minus minus 1 minus minus 2 minus 2, that is equal to 14. Comparing with the given options, the answer is B, 14. Question 34. Factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 6abc. Expression resembles the algebraic expression a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c, square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. In the given expression, we have 2a, b and c. Substituting these into the identity gives us 2a plus b plus c, 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2ac minus bc. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A. Question 35. Find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle with vertices 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7, minus 2. The coordinates of the centroid G of a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are given with the formula G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Substituting the given coordinates into the formula, we have G equal to 1 plus 4 plus 7 upon 2, 2 plus 6 plus minus 2 upon 3. That is G is equal to 4, 2. That is option A. Question 36. Find the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is minus 4. The intercept form of a line with x-intercept A and y-intercept B is given by x upon A plus y upon B equal to 1. Given A is 3 and B is minus 4, the equation is x upon 3 plus y upon minus 4 is equal to 1. That is 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. Rearranging the equation into general form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing with the given options, the answer is C. Question 37. A parallelogram has adjacent sides 15 cm and 10 cm. The angles between them is 60 degree. Find its area. The The area of a parallelogram with adjacent sides A and B and angle theta between them is given by area is equal to AB sin theta. Given A is 15 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, and theta is 60 degree, area A is equal to 15 into 10 into sine 60. The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. That is 150 into root 3 by 2, which is equal to 75 root 3. From the given options, the answer is A, 75 root 3. Question 38. A parallelogram has one side measuring 8 centimeter and its adjacent side is 10 centimeter. The diagonal between these two sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of parallelogram. The diagonal divides the parallelogram into two identical triangles. The side of one such triangle are A as 8, B as 10, and the third side diagonal C as 12. First, calculate the semiperimeter S, that is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to 15. Applying the Heron's formula, that is area is equal to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is equal to 15 root 7. The area of parallelogram is twice the area of triangle. That is, area of parallelogram is equal to 2 into 15 root 7. That is equal to 30 root 7. From the given options, the answer is A, 30 root 7. Question 39. The mean of 10 numbers is 25. If one number 35 is excluded, the mean of remaining number is. The mean of 10 numbers is 25. So the total sum is mean into count, that is 25 into 10, that is equal to 250. One number 35 is excluded. So sum new is equal to 250 minus 35, which is equal to 215. Now 9 numbers are remaining. So mean new is equal to new sum, that is 215 upon new count, that is 9, that is equal to 23.88. Rounding this off is equal to approximately 24. From the given options, the answer is C, 24. Question 40. If the mean of 7, 9, 12, x, 15 is 12, what is the value of x? The mean is a set of numbers in the sum. The mean is a set of numbers is the sum of numbers divided by their count. The numbers are 7, 9, 12, x and 15 and the mean is 12. There are 5 numbers in total. That is, mean, that is 12, is equal to sum of numbers, that is 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus x plus 15 upon 5. Solving for x is equal to 70. From the given options, the answer is A, 17.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.